Hi, welcome to Vinafriq, your local guide to all things African and your African Archive channel. So this episode, we're going to be looking at the African way of doing things called Vinafriq, the African way, the Vin-African way, if you will. The vintage African way of doing things. And we're going to be looking at the palm oil baby bath. I know a lot of you remember vaguely that, you used to hear that, your grandma will come or your mother will come and, clean your baby with palm oil to, wash the skin. They wash the skin with palm oil. Yeah, it's not a myth, it's real. Like, yeah, they actually do a palm oil baby bath. You literally just cleanse your baby in palm oil. It's like, doing like a coconut oil bath for your baby or something. So what the palm oil does is it takes away the dead skin. It's like exfoliating, if you allow me use that language. So it enriches the baby's skin because it kind of sinks in also, and then your baby gets this really nice glow, and then it cleans out all the yama. Allow me to use that word, yammer. It removes all the yama on your baby, and then your baby will just be glowing, and then like your baby's like color will like pop. It's like, oh, it's like a color pop, palm oil color pop. So your baby gets the nice glow, gets healthy skin, and it's just a really I really like when I come back from the hospital. I usually have it done for my babies because I always see the difference. When my first child, I was a bit skeptical. I'm like, but then after I saw the difference, I've become an advocate for it. Like, yeah, man, palm oil bath that baby, please. It's very necessary. And then to remove all those, let me whisper it, all those smells, all those different smells. Yes, it will help with the smells. Anyway, so this is a video to guide you on how to do the palm oil baby bath wherever you are. Some people, you might not have access to your mothers because of the, whole japa trend. Maybe your mother is not available to come and do omugo. Your grandma isn't available for some reason or the other, whatever it is. But you have to check them, kind of do the omugo yourself. You have to send for a trial for yourself, and you want to actually get this done, and you don't know how to. So this is a guide on how to do it. So just watch the video, see what's happening. Always be careful about your baby's eyes when you're doing the palm oil bath. I would advise that you start from the bottom and do the face last. Even though in this video they did the face first, try when they're doing the face first. I'm like, oh my god, it's palm oil entering the eye, it's palm oil entering the eye, it's palm oil entering the eye. They have to reaction me like 1 million times, but just to help your heart, I think you should do the face last, so that you don't have that this thing of, oh, it's the palm oil entering the eye, like me, just a little bit paranoid. But yeah, so I would advise you to do the face last, so that this thing. But yeah, this is basically how to do palm oil bath. It's actually pretty easy. Yeah, so enjoy. Please don't use scalding water on your baby. Don't cook your baby, please, guys. Disclaimer: do not cook your baby. Just use you should be able to gauge the temperature. It's not like I can tell you, use 95 degrees or use 27 degrees. It's not like it's an African thing. You gauge it. You use your thumb to check that, okay, it's not too hot, it's not too warm, it's not cold, like it will do the job. So please gauge appropriately. So guys, that's how to do the palm oil baby bath the African way, the African palm oil baby bath. Now, thanks for sticking it out. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned it. Please remember to always be careful when it has to do with babies. You always have to be careful, always have to be gentle. Yeah, and the water used to bath the baby is warm water. Please remember, is warm water, because you know cold water ain't gonna do anything for palm oil. So the water has to be like warm, like warmish, hot warmish, not hot though. Please don't go and scald your baby, but like you get what I mean when I mean like warm water. So that's the kind of water I used. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. We have some other awesome African methods of doing things. We have the African baby bath massage. We have African local games for those of you with older kids who just want, like, you know, your kids to interact, you know, and you want some games that you can also play with your kids, some fun games, outdoor games you can play with your kids when you guys go to the park or just, you know, outside your compound, even in your house, you know. So we have a lot of African games, and we have hair tutorials for those of you with queens and princesses. African hair tutorials, how to make different hairstyles, shuku, all of that. Shuku, Rojabumi, ba, all of that. So please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, please like, share, please hit like, share, please subscribe. Thank you, bye.